risk index ranking. Na normally the highest one is 5.0. Okay. So when you're 5.0 now, a child will say a far risk, a kwanya, oye no bi ba, utimi so no, uwo nimpa. Enti se wu osote, na wo ba one ni negative na sefo na, a child say, enkoye kura. Na ye will be a friend no, natural disaster.
Yeah.
And an artificial disaster.
Natural disaster, like act of nature.
Aha. Enti enumu bi na usua crisis management ebechiro. In crisis management no, assemby aba ekwan be so na wo fa so akora no. Na nintiche mu no ebechiro say ye won natural disaster. Eno ye hu hwie nyeye, ebi ti say tornado. Ebi ti say bia rainfall.
Yeah.
Ebi ti say hurricane. Untimi nya ho hwe. Ene ye wo artificial disaster. Eno de na eni ho. Wona wakwa akopɛ na wo de aba. Se wo hwe Kumasi a, the way Kumasi si ye no no. Enye ba bia e wo se natural artificial disaster crazy te se flooding. There be. Na mom ye yankasa na wo se ekwan na e wo se insuo betai mu no afro no. Na boga bi ato na wasi no. No dey filling station. Baby, I was say gata no. Any kwanso bia call gata no ho no. I catch you say any kwanse baby nsuo tini bia no 100 meters.
Yes.
Usi filling station and answer we bibi wo ho no. Na kwabrane ato. You understand? What tongue? You understand?
Yeah.
So ye de no ye ya ne ekope baaye. Enti se nsuo ne to a na abayiri afaye. If we say nanka insuoma sase no se wotompo a ye wo kwan a ye fa so si no by yensi ni sa ye see no normal foundation because foundation no ye wo various foundation part foundation straight foundation step foundation ni yenye ni ye si dan ne te se obi a wato na sase e wo asase yantama so ato one so I think third one Fatu win so ha na ntimi kwe 1 1 that is not the artificial disaster. Na ebi ena edi ejahyehyɛ ba no. Yɛyɛ de no enye se yetewa na ba yi o.
Ya na yakofa.
Yɛn ne yakwa ba. Ebi ehye free efie because efie no yenim se gas ni leaki but ye de bo beto so. Alutamba jo tie me die. Ai. Medam baby na me se mmumra. Ye the gas yenim se leaki o. Na unim first no na say na asaba. First no nanka gas no. One of the requirements in the gas was somebody to gas nim eshe gas nim ye bibi efre no ethane me captain no ye ade bia ye de tum se de be as gas release and I say gas be leak here over 2 cents na show but say drubebi say gas ni leak kra 1 cent which is dangerous
na ye fear ye tete we no do say kra na wo smoke detector machine
and I me say me can the way and send a smooth detail say the sebi afi na sa anwoma ekra yenim but the basic one is how be konkofo fie no na gas no because ha eten me captain nim no likikra unhu na eho ye saturated so with a little fire pine na abafa ne so ukona say not mo for so mo ko ayija ekokoye inspection na maamefo no ewo gas omunu aduane wo market ni mu wo bra sa nneoma ni bi na edwom hyehyɛ nkrofo nneoma omukoye no mu yi a no mu ni omuko but ehia they are going to call us yes but oti yenko China more issue yi. Before them, my mema ranking.
Nhyira FM 104.5.
Because it's a very common practice.
My mema word ranking. We are not facing now. We are not abejafo anya about the normal about betwaso. Now global disaster risk index no. Me wo countries are omuye top notch when it comes to disaster risk reduction. Hwe Ghana no enyoma ye basic no yemfa ho. Basic yemfa ho. Fato suma ha ene da so no. Yeah. Italuta wa betimi akan ma me na ma chirichim.
Okay. The countries that manage disaster better typically have robust early warning systems.
You underline it.
Yes. Well planned.
So the first one here, then countries that manage disaster better typically have one
robust early warning systems.
Okay, early warning.
Yes.
Early warning here, then.
I say kokobono e bantem.
Okay.
Yes.
A boss signal no.
Yes.
Oko Israel na Hamas for ne to bomba. Obete say siren 1 2 unim baby e wo se okọ
yes.
O ti ase. Se flooding ba unim baby e wo se okọ. Early warning.
Yeah.
Next.
2 well planned evacuation routes.
A plan and a well planned.
Well planned.
Okay.
Well planned. The well not planned any hyphen. Well planned evacuation route.
Enti e kire sa uwo baby a se atoyemtem siu sese wo baby a betimi adwane akọ. Ska wo baby e befa. Enti me kan me pese wo hwe your typical dwom. How well plan se BBC a obefa hen.
Bia ni ho abefa.
Se wo city mall na BBC a befa hen. Ukọ kejetie Dubai BBC a obefa hen. Ukọ Atonsu market BBC a obefa hen. Uwo Tech Junction se BBC a obefa hen.
And the third one was say and efficient emergency response teams. Efficient emergency response teams.
I say emergency response team another day.
Efficient.
Oh, he's particular about the use of certain words.
Yes.
It is not that because we don't have, but he uses well planned.
How effective.
Effective chese ade no ye kan ka say wow. You ultimate ka say
ejina brane.
Ejane she and the way we see rolling ye be dum jano. Effective. Now let's look at the top countries for disaster risk reduction. Countries are top. Omu 5 disaster omutimi ye nyoma mpacho boso number 1 here.
Number 1 Ecuador. Ranked first in the Hyogo Framework Disaster Risk Progress Score with 4.8 points. Ecuador excels in disaster risk reduction.
Next one,
Switzerland. Tied with Ecuador. Switzerland also scored 4.8 points, showcasing a strong disaster management capabilities.
Next one,
Brazil with 4.5 points. Brazil ranks third, demonstrating its commitment to disaster risk reduction.
Okay.
Next one is Costa Rica, scoring 4.5 points. Right. Costa Rica is known for its efficient rapid detection of disaster victims and debris clearance. And
debris nature say ade no abubu ye free hono.
And Japan etwaso. Japan's advanced earthquake early warning systems and tsunami warning services make it a leader in disaster preparedness.
Now let's look at countries with solid disaster management system. Ye kusua dia disaster management no e kan ho disaster management na nya te se e wasenka obia in the ministry or whatever national service so disaster is supposed to be a course mpanyfo ba metimi ato aso ye dia grow.
So that means your problem where your curriculum now you run your schools no
masa what they atoso.
Yes.
Countries with a solid or the solid maybe a solid at
systems.
Once one who African Ibia because the bubble empire. No. Se flood na me say artificial disaster ne aye ne koso ye no ejahyehe na enye nyame asem eya so odin no ye de bebo mpaye ne aka say ye mo mpaye ne enkubonsam na odi jahyehe aba.
Okay, countries with solid disaster management systems. New Zealand and its National Crisis Management Center is deemed fit. Emphasis mine. Deemed fit to handle emergency situations, including intense earthquakes.
And to you know, ye ni ambassador for New Zealand.
Yes, when you China said, Omo crowd there a graduate from say, Omo beka say disaster be or natural occurrence to prevent even the natural occurrence.
More planning.
Junior Chess or self-made in the macra.
It's in a macacho say, "Na ye momo lawyers, Muna Mohaji." The macacho say, "Here more engineers who Nanka momo de law not actually because we need engineering a juma. Next one a day,
United States. The country has a well-established disaster management system with various agencies working together to respond to.
Okay, United States, baby, just here, Taiwan, California.
Yes. Yeah.
But the world best fire service system, California, they are one of the best. Say you Dumuja. Because they have been trained, because when him say problem no on to be from Accra and in Crown do say I want to be a fire service because so they've studied those things. Next one today.
Australia, Emergency Management Australia plans, structures, and arranges for emergency needs in disaster prevention, preparedness, response, and recovery.
And underline these words now. Can one say? Oh, can now do the now kusi nadmu, bacho. Okay, now do a near Kwakusim Namu. Inti can Australia, the next underline words. No, what's saying?
Emergency Management Australia plans, structures, and arranges for emergency needs in disaster prevention, preparedness, response, and recovery. Into the share Nadmu. And I'm not blaming Nadmu for. Yeah, agency a better resources, Nadmu ni fire service for no. Next one, day. Canada. Public safety. Canada aims to protect its people and maintain a peaceful and safe society through effective disaster management.
Good. Next one.
United Kingdom. The Civil Contingencies. The Civil Contingencies Secretariat promotes disaster preparedness and creates programs for civil defense and emergency services.
So the Mabubo Bosu Ninano. Eche wa de baako. And they say, who say we are not serious? On say no no mo kan no. Eye ebusafo. The can say eye plan na de no mu yo. Say when it is natural disaster or artificial disaster, ye mani nsi.
Okay.
Na no me kan wasem time eja ne hye no. Blue gate no. Me can say enjai. Why? Because na nya prophecy. Because Ghana won't hear prophets. Everybody is a prophet because you can predict because
obvious.
Na dia ba enti se so fu bi 35 ka say afie eja be hyehyɛ no
because bi an say jabe
psychology asem na wo kan na asem na ye because wo come out say ye the gas se sia ye kai misramo mama afayam sanya scanning wo KJT Dubai no obeko no obi the gas in where they are still
na neya eye weekender 7 brand be PP kakra gi omani no ba bi abekwa akwadwa na ya ahwe ho ba bi a obi asoja toton poko no obi so the cylinder si ho eye indomie ndu beko no na you see naked fire then you see also cylinder set and also
na kra de no na okay yeah chele wo high tension ase dey asem na okay actually yeah bro high tension high tension opa check the dangers of yet high tension ase and no mu kra we problem and yes actually high tension ase shey me say yeah dey artificial disaster TUC hoyi on the TUC say o mu si ne kakran kakreba aha mu fele but can't you say in so much as from me engineering perspective we betimi asi but no we nim de yesu an say wo ko in so much as ate so fail answer but oko Japan oko China in so mu yesi asas in so ne nam ne baby but a dance so kama obia nam ne baby kama o a wutimi hu fish na namu sedenchema wutimi di agro bibia ye fine because they need to ensure say everything oko anaya ofe bra China for no I can tell you omumumra when they come here with the help of some agencies they don't do the things according to law. China for no me say agencies now was so making sure no. Enti na me a bufu when I heard the fire safety officer, they don't have fire hydrant. They don't. Why are you coming to tell us now? EPA
time you hear say you be na be ya uni akire.
Meanwhile, you were KMA, you were one inspectorate, the. So why don't you asema me share instructors? Say see ayetie you abonsan so.
Yeah.
Obi wa ase. The mission ye ewo engineering mu ne say wonam abonsan so na utietia na obi o wa ase ti dede na there's a structural deformity. Yeah. Because any one say obi enam abonsan so na wuti dede ko China mo we sisi yi obi nam soro na na masia. We are waiting for a disaster. We are waiting for a disaster. We are waiting for a disaster. China fui. So munum jot ni jot. Meanwhile they have
me call inspection war China more back. We say Kumase no I know the place but I don't know them by their names.
Yeah.
Na you rule office back no. Ghana ni te ho. Ghana ni no de na onye part of omo smoking no. Na China for me ensa. Omo nyina smoking omo who see no team. Omo ne ye meeting. I'm say what kind of slavery is this?
Yeah, they don't care.
What kind of slavery is that?
They won't pay us senior because you allow no. Meanwhile, you see smoking outside the crown in yet. China phone, you know, but they will tell you say China so monum joteni. Meanwhile, baby, a shall say free, you know, possibly two things. It's either electrical fault due to whatever, or
Obi the smoking and a
because a honey is a mattress and because me na me free ho neighbor. So when I saw it, na she free a chill and neighbor. And the fire service for here, let's use this opportunity. And this in MPP penny for yes, Remo. Apart from some of politics, no fire service, no fire tenders, problem. The last time I understand was 2013. Can you say every 5 years? I was here, Sano. As we speak, omuni cars are current. Now no hose, water hose omudi ye in a papai, mini anamijina ho.
Wow.
Even smoke ye can say a nose mask crom de be ebe rem kra no muni bi. Mesre, I am expecting say Parliament. Unfortunately, when in Parliament they no more discussing. Professor Kingsley Nyako. Oh sorry ya. Obusa minister for one say onim abosom bosom and your mind how many shrines na ye registered. The omutimi busa I know. One MPB or Wale MP doctor something refinity. Oh sorry ya. They were debating on President John Mahama, what say a software prophecy. But issue we see here, minim ebi amuna my research. Parliament timia make a statement.
This particular issue there, I won't make issue, but I think that the CEO for recruitment, or member of Parliament, Honorable Michael.
Me say, sir, issue
in Parliament.
And I'm say, sir, issue.
Francis Sunum. Any John Darkunum,
any serious country, no way emergency. And so, as a man can say,
say even that time a Michael no receive or Parliament, and so we is serious follow up. Perhaps if you can
me say, now no a blue gate to say then the ACA. Me can say it has to be mandatory. Say fire extinguisher and fire education. Abrunsen bi ewo edumne store piano man and two that they know how to operate the fire extinguisher.
And no pa but say now we can say we can fire extinguishers asem. I was like yes. Me as a zona manager. You be ba can chem say the budget be ba so mo service fire extinguishers. Na ma sign near the sika ko no ma service. But I don't know how to use it.
Yes. And it's not your fault.
And to me, Pierre Abonte could have Horsey extinguishers and I'm saying our problem.
Yes,
our problem.
Nobody.
Our problem. But no, as of now, can you know? It was the icing on the cake on the show yesterday.
We don't know.
Like, me home a share as if I'm saying. Semeti me come ukra na se ya to me come fire extinguisher now.
Yenim ye. And here police for air stop here. Enti mesre mesre aban first of all no ameka me say team subiem e what say syllabus yes sano near this emergency response and emergency management no ye kire in fact it could be crisis management as a course and by yen shall say crisis management yen shall say from basic sana wusua enti enya course compulsory course because on might be a serious no into obenyini no enye de hwe dry season eba menu mienu one share akukrantu mi so every week ye beka eja ahihie
obi a de kokofu ahye obi a de fie ahye sa
eti say ne accident be say si ene ya ye kasei by the close of the day ye better say accident si wo Kumasi Accra road accident si Cape Coast Wanhwan road we know the problem, we are not ready to fix it. For me, my humble appeal this morning before say Ekoni say ye wo countries a oma ben e wo sa de no ho aban emo munkosua aban fire 104.5 Emre fire service for
now Rev say in 2013 that time when Panyi Mahama can say ye kofa fire experts from the United States am ma be den tama na ja e hihie o markets and no ekosi ze
yensia hwe abusia enti de eda ho no as for corruption yoman de ombo ma be kan wasem me have always said say my bre talking about these things they be aban foforo bi abo mo ma ye hu na we awie sika e beduru ho me de me position is say